Alright, now we're here at the MagBak booth. Angie from MagBak invited me to check them out if I was able to make it. But this is where I got my stuff from. And check out my video on those. Links will be down in the description below. It's MagBak.
Hi, my name is Ronnie from MagBak, and today what we're showing off is the rim case, which is a case for your wheels. We're designing specifically for the Ubers, the Model Y, Model 3, and then we also have induction for the Model Y. So what's unique about this product is they are modular, so they come in small segments like this, and you can install them yourself. It's really easy. They snap right on, so they clip in and they go over. And they click in like that, and you can get them in different colors. So we got the red, white, and black. So we know a lot of people already have curb damage. So if you already have damage, this will cover it right up. Or if you want to use it preventatively, you can install it, and then if you hit a curb and you damage this, it'll protect your OEM wheels. And to replace it, they're about $7 a segment. So if you damage 2 of them, you can quickly go home, replace it, and it's like a $15 quick fix. Yeah. One of the other items that we have as well is a phone charger for your Tesla. So I can show you that here. So for your Tesla screen, this is the charger. It's made from solid aluminum. Yeah, so this installs using a simple adhesive, and it's designed so that it's angled in a way where when you sit down, Face ID will unlock, and it's super strong magnetically. It unlocks and starts to charge.
Do that one more time for us?
Sure. Take that off. Okay. So you just go like that.
Oh wow. All right. Yeah.
It's super strong. Unlocks because it's pointing to the driver. The other cool thing about this is this actually will charge almost twice as fast as the standard charger. Mainly because it lines it up perfectly with your phone coil. And the other thing is this whole body is aluminum, so it acts as a heat sink. So all of the electronics heat, it goes right into the aluminum, and that'll make sure that it doesn't get super hot. We ran the test where we take 2 identical phones at 0%. We put it down on the Tesla charger and down here on our charger, on the MagBak charger, and that one will reach about 55%, where this will go to 100% in the same time. Yeah. Yep, and our company originally started as a phone case Apple accessory business, so this is one of our cases. Oops, sorry.
There we go, the perfect demonstration.
Drop
Protect your
tested.
phone. Drop test.
Yeah, and so our magnets are super strong. So you can see we also have this wallet, and you can pick it up from the wallet, and it's really safe. So the wallet's really cool. It will hold about 5 to 6 credit cards. There's a little room for cash, and there's a finger loop, and it acts as a kickstand as well, so you can take this off like that. Act as a kickstand. Same thing this way.
All right. Yeah. Are you guys gonna make any that are compatible with any Samsung Android phones?
Yeah, so we have the latest Samsung. So if you're a Samsung user, Samsung Galaxy series, Google Pixel we also do.
Okay.
So same thing, it has the magnets built right in. So if I take this out, you'll see this also has the MagSafe, so then it can go in here. I don't have a Samsung phone on me, but same thing, and the wallet also works. What's also great is even if you have the wallet attached, it won't charge, but at least you can mount it without having to take anything off. So it's a full system.
You guys got to get one for the Fold, the Samsung Fold.
Yeah, we haven't done the Fold yet. That's a good point. Awesome.
Any other cool products you guys are coming out with soon, or what you got here on the table?
I mean, right now we have a multi-charger as well, multi-charger for your nightstand.
Okay.
So, this is something that, especially if you have an Apple Watch, you can put the watch here, you put your phone here, and then your AirPods go in the back. So this would go here. You put your AirPods here, then you put your Apple Watch here.
Okay.
It's also made out of a solid piece of aluminum, very sleek, takes up very minimal space on your desk. And it's got a little suction adhesive on the bottom, so it stays in place. Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you. Once again, what's your name again?
My name's Ronnie.
Ronnie, and
Yeah.
you know, on behalf of my channel, Avionics, and all my viewers, thank you for providing some stuff for me to check out. And I definitely recommend these rim case protectors for your Uber turbine or the induction rims to prevent that curb rash or cover it up like myself.